You know I'm a back and forth
This is
person.
an exclusive. We down here
The
in
only reason why I
Lakeport.
was
It's
coming
the
down here because I
country.
did have a
We
couple
out here
friends,
chilling.
but
Tell me why the
that's
cat
a done.
called
That's a
Chinaman
done deal.
done find him a new home. Y'all see that
Oh,
neon?
what? Okay.
He up in that mug rapping shit, dog. He done took him about two shits.
Girl, no, you don't say it enough.
He on the steering wheel. And that's the owner. He gonna be ready to fetch that butt out her ass in a minute.
I hope his eyes don't change, cause
I
Woo!
was let it alone.
Ain't shit up in here. You make me go stupid.
That's ain't Shannon, baby. Look at
Look,
him.
he
He
eat
on the
too.
prowl now.
shit,
Ain't shit in there.
he done something.
He got something. And what do you have to say to the camera?
Girl, he was sitting up in there chilling. Sit your ass up. Don't know which way to run. What
This
y'all
has
tell
been the
Bobby
East
now?
Texas exclusive, baby.
What y'all tell Bobby now?
Shannon, wait.
Don't be being funny. Get me off of that.